Hello guys, welcome to New Tech Tips. Today I'm going to show you how to install Telegram desktop on your computer. So first you have to open your favorite browser and then search for Telegram desktop. Telegram desktop. And then you click enter. So when you are here, when you're on the Google search page, please ensure that you're using the first link, this link right here. There probably are other sites where you can get it, but it's always best to download it from their official site. So you click here and then you select your version. I am using a Windows PC, so I will select Windows. Now it's going to download, but I already have it downloaded before, so I really don't have to download it again. I have it here. So all I have to do is double click. I'm going to select my language, just next, just SKU, location, and create a desktop shortcut. Just click next and then click install. So it's going to install on my computer now. So it's done installing. You click on finish. So it has installed, and click on start messaging. I already have Telegram on my phone, so all I have to do is to scan. Or you can log in using your phone number. So I'll click on phone number. It knows my location, and I have to input the details. Click on next after. So it has it can either send it via Telegram or via SMS. So I think I'll collect the Telegram. And that is it. Look at it has been installed. Here are all my chats. And basically that is it. So see you next time. Thank you for watching.